rolling up that stuff. I feel just like I see back in '85. These girls just want sloppy ice cream paint jobs. So